If you have a spreadsheet in Excel that is showing dotted lines and you don't know how to remove them, then this video is for you. Note that I have a blank spreadsheet, but in your case, it could be a spreadsheet with data. And notice that the spreadsheet is showing a dotted line. So if I select another spreadsheet, notice that I don't have the dotted lines. But if I go to the File tab and then Print, or just Print View, Excel will show the dotted lines because they mark the page break in your printout. However, these lines can be a bit annoying. If you go to View tab and uncheck the grid lines options, for example, Excel will still show the dotted lines. So if you want to remove these lines, follow the steps. First, go to the File tab, click on Options. In Excel Options, click on Advanced in the side menu. Then scroll down the page until you find Display Options for this worksheet. Now, uncheck the box that says Show Page Breaks. To finish, click on OK. And that's it. The dotted lines have disappeared from the spreadsheet. To show them again, follow the previous steps and check the box to show the page breaks. I hope I helped, and if you like this content, I'm sure you will also like the next video that I left there in the cards. See you next time!